Madara served as one of the main antagonists in Naruto. He grew tremendously powerful. Some characters were still tough, a legendary figure in the Naruto world. Madara Uchiha was once the leader of Uchiha clan, the revival of Konohaga's first Hokage, Hashirama Senju. He was blessed with the powers of Sharingan, and using those powers, Madara rose to the top of the era despite having been born in a war-torn era. During the Fourth Great Ninja War, Madara served as one of the main protagonists of the story. He grew tremendously powerful after becoming the Ten-Tails Jinchuriki. Here are the five characters who are stronger than Six-Path Madara Uchiha. Five characters stronger than Six-Path Madara. Those five characters are Kaguya, Otsuki, Isuki, Otsuki, Six-Path Naruto, Six-Path Sasuke, and last but not least, Hogoromo Otsuki. Let's get into the details. Begin with Hogoromo Otsuki. The sage of six paths, Hogoromo Otsuki was easily one of the strongest characters in the story. Along with his brother, he was powerful enough to fight and match Kaguya Otsuki in combat, eventually seal her. After Kaguya's defeat, Hogoromo grew further in terms of power by becoming the Jinchuriki of the Ten-Tails. Unfortunately, his prime powers were never revealed, but it goes without saying that he was much stronger than Madara Uchiha. Another one, Ishiki Otsuki come to earth a long time ago with Kaguya in the Boruto series. Ishiki is a major villain, someone whose strength is greater than both Six-Path Naruto and Sasuke combined. The true extent of his powers has still not been revealed to the fans. However, even in this weaker form, he managed to defeat both of Konoha's strongest without so much as reviving a wound. Madara, although strong, is no match for Ishiki Otsuki. Kaguya Otsuki, also known as the Rabbit Goddess, Kaguya Otsuki was introduced as the final villain of the Naruto series. Her strength was explicitly stated to be far greater than Madara Uchiha's. Kaguya was more powerful enough to kill both Naruto Uzumaki and Sasuke Uchiha at once, something which Madara would have struggled with. She was also capable enough to destroy an entire dimension with her ninjutsu, proving that she was indeed the strongest. And the strongest shinobi than Six-Path Madara is Six-Path Naruto. Naruto Uzumaki in his six-path form is powerful enough to take on most threats in the world, including those of the Otsuki. During the Fourth Great Ninja War, he was able to fight Madara Uchiha on an equal footing and even overwhelm him certain instances. Since then, he grown further in terms of power, and currently Naruto is undoubtedly stronger than Madara Uchiha. Six-Path Sasuke. Like Naruto, Six-Path Sasuke is among the strongest characters in the entire Naruto series. He is powerful enough to take on Naruto in battle, and by adulthood he is said to be his equal. With that establishment, it is easy to see that Six-Path Sasuke is stronger than Madara Uchiha, and his skill and experience with the Rinnegan is significantly creator as well.